What's up guys, welcome back to another amazing tech review episode by M.R.H channel, and in today's video we will be talking about the Samsung Galaxy A51, which is the latest flagship mid-range smartphone by Samsung. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into this. So the Samsung Galaxy A series is the most advanced of Samsung brand, which always introduced terrific smartphones. The handset comes with outstanding specs that provides exceptional performance. Some fundamental things of this mobile are prompt fingerprint and face unlock that both make the device secure and superior. These both features provide rapid and reliable access to the mobile. Samsung Galaxy A51 comes with 6.5 inches display with Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen with 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution and 405 pixels per inch density. This device comes with latest 4G LTE technology for smooth and flexible uploading, downloading and browsing features. The device ships with a 5 megapixel depth camera, 48 megapixel main camera and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. Not only this, we also have a 5 megapixel macro camera. So there is a total quad camera setup on the back of this device. If we talk about the front camera on the Galaxy A51, there's a punch hole camera on the top middle of the screen, which is only 32 megapixels wide camera module. This beast is equipped with Exynos 9611 10 nanometer of chipset. Samsung Galaxy A51 runs on Android version of 9.0 Pie, which assures extraordinary operating system and user-friendly interface. Not only this, the device is supported with 6 GB of RAM and obtained 128 GB of built-in memory. The RAM is enough for assuring the most reliable performance on multitasking. The storage of device is entirely sufficient for storing desirable data for the user. Moreover, the processing of this device is operated by a 2.3 GHz octa-core processor. For the battery capacity, the mobile phone is equipped with an extra large volume of non-removable LiPo 4000 mAh of battery with fast charging functionality that can make sure to give the best power backup for a full day on heavy usage. If we talk about its connectivity options, the device includes Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth version 5.0, USB Type-C, Wi-Fi Direct 3G and 4G. The sensor consists of an accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass, proximity sensor and a fingerprint sensor that's built into the display. Some of the things that we must appreciate about this device are its extensive and Super AMOLED display that provides excellent gaming and video watching experience. Not only this, the battery life is stable and quickly spends a day on full usage. The extraordinary camera makes mobile phones the best choice. Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protects and guards the screen against scratches. So we would rate this device 5 out of 5. So guys, that was it for today's video. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for further videos. Bye.